Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves and enjoying the summer's heat and taking all the free vitamin D. And also friends, today you must be wondering why am I wearing sunglasses in the house also because I was out and I was doing some gardening and all with the kiddos. And first I thought I would call somebody and just pay $10 and it would have been done, but my children said no mummy, don't do that. You can take us to Starbucks and make us get a drink from Starbucks. I said, oh, that's a good deal. So kiddos, you can always do everything for the kiddos, and what makes kiddos makes a mom happy too. So my kiddos wanted some drink, and here the garden went so well. I'm so happy that the weeds and all got cleared. So now we'll be heading to King Soopers and getting some nice Starbucks drink for my kiddos. And I hope you all like this video. So I'll just take you out there. So here we have started in the car and we are heading out. Let's go out. Children wanted some long drive also, so I said why not. So driving, and the weather looks so good and it is nice summer day. I'm really enjoying 90 degrees plus. So this is my kind of weather. See this nice scenery. I just love this place, and you can see the mountains also. But the mountains look so foggy today because there's a lot of fog. But I love this symbol, this walk-through station. It's really very pretty. So it's a long drive today. It's 93 degrees today. Two roads on this road has very narrow roads, so we have to be very careful. And upon that, even I'm talking also, recording also, it's a little dangerous, but I love this area. So, and today it is 95 degrees. I'm just waiting for a 100-degree mark. I have not seen a 100-degree yet, so I'm still waiting for a 100-degree. But the roads are very narrow here, but I can see the nice, lovely mountains. Hope you guys also love the mountains like me. Colorado is full of mountains, so it's called a mountain area, mountain place. So here we have come to Starbucks. Now children will pick up some nice drink. I don't know which one they'll pick up. I am not a big fan of all this. I don't drink all cold items and all. So let children go and they'll record what they want. This is the two flavors which my children picked up. I don't know which is my son's and which is my daughter's. Which is yours, sir?
The pink one.
The pink one is my daughter's and this one is my son's. I don't know which flavor they got. Which flavor it is?
The one on the left is the caramel frappuccino, and then the one on the right is the strawberry funnel cake frappuccino.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So we are walking in our neighborhood. Just see the trees are actually changing colors because of hot and cold climate now. So just see, look at it. So beautiful. This tree is having a very light green color in it. This is the maple tree actually, maple leaves. You see, but the color is really so unique than the other trees. It's light green in color. So beautiful. Just look at the contrast dark green leaves and maple leaves with light green color. See over here, the roses are so pretty. Pink color roses, beautiful. And look at the green lawn, looks so good. Sunset again, a lovely evening. Beautiful skies, very hot. It's 95 degrees still. We have to do a lot of laundry also. This is the laundry basket which all the clothes and all. So I'll just be going down to my basement. My laundry is in the basement. I'll show you my basement. I'll be taking you to my basement. My basement is really very small. I have my washing dryer over there, and over here I've kept some trash bags which we use for trash and all. And here is this. So here's my basement. I've kept all the cleaning supplies over here. This is the little, and I've kept all my detergent over here. This is my dryer. So I've put the clothes over here. Now I'll be using this liquid pods. So this is the liquid pod which I use. I just put them in the washer. So here I put 2 laundry pods over here. These are liquid and you don't have to pop them up. So I'll just on them. So here my laundry is done. I'll just take out the clothes now and put it in the dryer. Just remove all these clothes and put it in the dryer. Here all the clothes are done, and now we are putting in the laundry. Touch the floor. So I've loaded all the clothes. I'm just shutting it now and keeping it for drying. Now goes for the drying, and I keep it on very dry so that it dries very well. And here I'm pressing the knob. Sound. So this is my little garden where the weeds have grown so much. I'm on the air conditioner, so the sound is coming so much. Excuse me for that. Sorry about that. And I'll be cleaning up my garden and show you the final product after removing all this weeds. I have apple cider vinegar and an empty bottle, and I bought this Ultra Deluxe liquid dish detergent from Dollar Tree, I think. So I'll just mix half and half in this bottle and put it in the area where the weeds were growing, and this will stop the growth of all the weeds. So here I'm pouring half of the bottle of apple cider vinegar actually. You can actually take 3/4, so I'll do 3/4 bottle. Pour some more. So it will become like 3/4. Pour, 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 pour. Bas, enough. So I took 3/4 bottle of vinegar, and now I'll put 1/4 of the detergent dish liquid actually. So here I'm pouring dish liquid. Pour it, don't worry. Just pour it off. And now I'll shake it and put it all over. Yeah, enough, that's enough. So here's the liquid which we got, and I've stirred it well. I've shook it well, and now we'll put it all over the weeds and we'll put it in the garden. So here the soap is all there. Now I'll just pour little where I just don't want all this weeds and all to grow. So just put in all areas, and if you need to make more, please make more, and I'll be using 2 or 3 bottles of this kind. So I'll make some more and come. So I'm making more. So I'm just making some more so that I can spray it in the whole garden. And don't worry, because you can always, these things are very cheap in the Dollar Tree and Costco. You can buy everything from Costco. It'll work out so cheap. So I don't mind making my own spray and having a good time with the weeds, and they won't grow up back again as soon as possible. So this is my second bottle. So I'm spraying it everywhere. I'm seeing that the whole soil gets wet. Yeah, So we have done a good job. At least we won't have some weeds over here, but I'm going to make more of this detergent, this one liquid again, and I'll spray it there also. So but the kids did a good job. So now I'm making the third bottle of it. It's so much fun to do your own things, own DIYs, and save a lot of money. Yeah, so this is the third bottle, and 3 bottles were enough to do this kind of work. This is the third bottle which I'm using, and I'm trying to put it everywhere. So now I hope that weeds won't be that much before winter starts. So I hope it lasts for a month at least. And I think we did a good job by removing all the weeds. I'm so proud, and the spin wheel is spinning so well because of the wind. I'm so happy. So here I have kept some rice, and this is the same basmati rice which we cook and eat. And here I've kept some water so that the birds come and have some grains. And actually birds come, but I could not capture them. When I would try to come and capture the birds, they would just fly off. So this rice was full, and now it's almost done to half. So this was the day, and we enjoyed, and we did some nice productive work. And now I'm thinking I should get some nice dirt and soil. Comment in the comments and let me know which soil is the best. I want to grow some tomatoes and some cilantro and some mint actually. So actually summer is finishing, but I still have the whole month of August. So let me know if somebody knows about garden tips and all, so that I can take some tips from you guys. I'm not having much knowledge about garden and gardening tips. So if you all let me know, I'll buy some nice soil or some dirt, whatever. I'll go to Walmart or Home Depot and check them out. And I hope you all have a good day. And if you have liked this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all.